Are you new to video surveillance systems and feeling overwhelmed by complex setups and interfaces? Well, we admit, managing multiple cameras while also ensuring security and accessing those footage is a daunting task. But it doesn't need to be because we have Hanwha Vision. Meet Wisenet Wave and VMS by Hanwha Vision, a user-friendly, scalable, and powerful video management system designed to simplify your surveillance needs. Whether you're overseeing a small business or a large enterprise, Wisenet Wave offers intuitive tools to manage your video security effectively. Are you ready to streamline your video surveillance with a system that's easy to install, compatible across various devices, and packed with features? Wisenet Wave VMS provides a seamless experience, allowing you to monitor, record, and analyze video feeds effortlessly. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the basics of Wisenet Wave VMS from installation to configuration, ensuring you have a solid foundation to build upon. Let's get started. First things first, head over right here to their actual website, which is hanwavisionamerica.com, and then you should be able to find their product, which is the Wisenet Wave VMS. So here it is right here under the products option, and you should be able to see in here this part. What we can do is we can click onto this download option that we can see into their website. And in there, they will ask for your actual details. And then from in there, click onto this submit. You can also choose your operating system. They actually support Windows, Ubuntu, ARM, as well as Mac OS. Click onto this submit. And then after that, you should be redirected to this next page wherein you will be prompted to download it. Just head over and click on the download option and you should be able to start the downloading process. It's only 244 megabytes. As you can see, I've already downloaded, so I'll just cancel this part now. And in order to install it, just head over and then click onto this downloaded file that you have. Once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see this. So since I've already installed it, it only shows an uninstall option. So it will prompt you to install this app and you should be able to actually install it. So this is what the app looks like. So in here you can log into WaveSync, connect to a server, or you can also create a new system. So since we're a new business and it's our first time to use this, let's click on this new system option. Click on continue. And then it will open in here this Wisenet Wave client. And then just wait for this to load and make sure to give it access to your location. For this case, head over and click onto the Setup New System and then enter in here the system name. So for example, let's put in here TR Labs. Click onto this next option and then it will ask for the password that you would want to use. For this case, I'll just head over and then input right here the password that I want. After you have inputted your password, click onto this next option. And then in here, you can now see in here your server address. Do take note of that and click onto this finish. Now in here, as you can see, it's now active and we can now see in here the actual layout. So this is our server and you can see that it's still blank right now. But don't worry because we have in here this notification that can help us set up. So from in there, what we can do is we can just head over and then set up the email server. Click on that right there and you can also connect your WaveSync so you connect to your system anywhere. Under the system administration, input right here your email settings and then click on the OK in order to actually set it up. Now in here you can see your actual layout. So let me just show this. We have in here first our homepage, which is our TR Labs. We have in here our admins, and you can see the administrators. And for this case, we have the server, and in here we have the web pages, the homepage, as well as the local files associated with that. Now, in order to navigate this, let's head over right here and then click onto these three lines. Click onto this connect to another server if you would want to connect to another one. Then input right here the credentials, or you can also use the links in order to connect. Another option that we can do is we can disconnect from this particular server. You can also click onto this new in order to open a new layout, a new window, or a new welcome screen depending on that. Now from in there, you can also click onto this and you can open those files. Like for example, you can also open a web client from this case. As you can see, it will actually prompt you to go over to the connection of your local host through this part. Now in here, we can see our local host. Head over and then input right here your credentials in order to log in. Once you are prompted right here, we can see our view, and as you can see, there's no camera yet. So you can head over and then set up your camera if you have it available in your web admin. You can go over right here into your view page, or you can also head over to our software that we have. Into our software, click onto these three lines, and in here you can see your local settings. You can also click on this add right here, and from in there we can see the devices. And since we want to add in here a camera, let's head over and click onto this virtual camera option. Click on OK right here, and then from in there you can now see this and upload in here some footage, image controls. You can also enable the actual audio for this one, detect motion, sensitivity, and the likes. So just head over and then set it up according to your liking. In here, just head over to your hotspots, click onto this add option, and then select in your camera that you want to enable for this case. If you have those camera, just head over and select it, and you should be able to add it right here. So it should be able to add that particular data right here under the server, and here is our virtual camera right there. Now in actual website, you can see that the no view or no camera option has disappeared. That is because we have added that camera. Now, if you have a lot of cameras available into your business, just proceed to add them by selecting the three lines and adding them right here. You can also merge systems, add some devices, as well as a lot more things through this way. So you can also just try to start screen recording for those camera systems that you have available into this case. So as you have noticed, Wisenet Wave VMS stands out as a comprehensive, user-friendly solutions. It only have a few buttons and it's very easy to set up and load a lot of cameras into one view. It has an intuitive interface with robust feature set and scalability that make it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned professionals seeking to enhance their security operations. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. So, if you have any questions or you want to share your experiences with Wisenet Wave VMS, just drop a comment below and we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.